Good evening everyone, myself Surendra Savadikar. Today we have met together on occasion of one day online national workshop organized by Pandavas Grimpire on the topic of Wonder World of Bonsai. This workshop is organized under a section of Operational Educare. The whole session is going to be hosted by a guest speaker, Dr. Urmila Sarkar, a botanist, research advisor, professor of Kirti M. Dungarsi College. She is going to take over the whole session and she is going to explore the knowledge, the skills and the required things for one to develop and cultivate a bonsai. I welcome all participants, special delegates as well as the speaker for this workshop organized by this firm. I may now introduce the firm Pandavas Grimpire. The director of this firm, Mr. Girish Desai, Suraj Bhosle, the convener, myself, Surendra Savadekar in operations, Mayur Devulkar, organizing committee member, Rutik Kamati, also an organizing committee member of this firm. I move upon the objective of our firm. Development of clean green technology in a society. This is a major vast project that is being considered by our firm to develop clean but a green zone in a society with various patches where least amount of pollution will be seen, as well as sustainable development project will be undertaken on a vast amount. Landscaping. Design of various landscape as per the need and necessity demanded by the client throughout India. Gardening. Development of various gardens based upon the aspects of environmental development as well as the aspect of the climatic condition in various zones throughout India. Vertical gardening. This is also one of the major part of our firm project. Our firm undertakes various projects on vertical gardening and develops the project where sustainability will be maintained as well as the design of such gardens where major amount of oxygen will be provided. Such plants are being designed to develop and incorporated in this gardening part of vertical. Pallet gardening. This is also one of the major part of our project of our firm, where in this project various plants as per their need and necessity based upon the space and time and climatic conditions are undertaken and designed for as per the requirement of the client. Kitchen gardening. This is also one of the aspects where our firm works undertaking various projects of clients throughout India as well as designing various projects within the members of the team. Terrace gardening. The practice of terrace gardening as per modern society is developed and is profounded here in a vast amount. It is a major requirement in today's count. Why? Because today the least amount of space, least amount of time and specification with smart farming is required, and major amount of modern cities contain very less space, and in this less amount of space the terrace gardening founds to be a very useful concept in order to develop as well as to undergo for various farming aspects in the agricultural part. Home gardening. Home gardening, we all know about home gardening, various aspects of plants as well as the need which is required for home, or we can say the plants or the requirement as per the client or as per the need for that particular household has been completed through this particular project. Public, private, corporate, landscaping and gardening. This is also one of the major projects that we take throughout India. Here we develop, design various public gardens, private gardens for private clients as well as corporate gardens as well as landscaping as per the requirement of the firm or the organization throughout India. Agricultural practice. Today we all know and we are aware about it that pandemic situation is costing a lot for each and everyone's health, and agricultural is the main part, or we can say the core part, where the development is going to be taking place for the need and necessity of human life in order to survive. And in this pandemic situation too, agriculture is only one basic core business which is running at its boost. Though there is a saturation in the field of support or supply chain, but then too agriculture is one of the sustainable as well as one of the dependent part for one in order to develop himself or herself in this particular core subject. Now the main thing here in agricultural practice that we undertake various plots from various clients as per their need and requirement. We design the plot as per the climatic conditions and we make available the part or a plot for the agricultural farming practice, developing and designing the tools as per the need and necessity for the client in order to carry out in future prospects. Nursery development. Nursery is one of the major core part where supply of plant is been needed. Many plants which are seedless, their propagation through nursery is been taken. We undertake the projects to develop the nursery in various aspects based upon the requirement of clients. We develop nursery of all different varieties so that it may boost up the market, as well as the provision of the market will be fulfilled by the nursery as well as the client who is onto his business activity. Tree plantations. Tree plantation is one of the major projects. Today many NGOs and many other firms undertake this project. Tree plantation, our firm has undertaken the project in one of the college where we have planted more than 500 trees, or we can say the saplings, as well as more than 2500 seed balls has been utilized for the next 5 years of plan in terms of investment. These seed balls, we all know that it is going to get generated and evolve a small sapling which may further grow into a small plant in this coming 5 years. So this tree plantation is going to work upon a very vast aspect overall in India as well as in Mumbai too. Polyhouse development. Construction of polyhouse, design of polyhouse, as well as various aspects of polyhouse. All core parts is been covered by our firm, and we undertake the projects of the same in order to develop and design for sustainable as well as the changing climatic condition, the need which has been required in today's environment. Polyhouse farming. Not only polyhouse construction as well as design, but as based upon the climatic condition and based upon the expertise knowledge, what farming practice should be followed upon into the polyhouse is been carried out. And in this particular zone, the expertise from agricultural field utilize their core knowledge of years of experience developing and designing the tool so that the vast amount of production as well as quality will be produced for all the citizens, as well as the market will be fulfilled with grading scores of this product. Soilless cultivation. Coming to the part of this aspect, along with soil, there is also the uncertainty that has been faced by human race, and that is about the changing climatic condition, where polyhouse is playing a big role in controlling this particular part. But not only soil is going to act, here the need of soilless cultivation is also on the part. So soilless cultivation is also one of the basic aspect of our firm, where we undertake the projects of various hydroponic farming technology, and the technology which is based upon various development of human need and market need strategy has been followed. The left side of the picture is about the farming of leafy vegetable, whereas the right side contains hydroponic farming of maize. Workshops, seminars, conference. The current scenarios of all these pictures are actually about the workshops. Now workshops on bonsai, the picture we see, as well as the image of dish garden, terrarium, open terrarium and closed terrarium workshops are also undertaken by our firm in terms of project. Hanging terrarium, as you can see in the picture, as well as organic farming. Here in organic farming we conduct certificate course, we conduct crash course, we conduct practical course, we also conduct a field visit and an internship for all the students from various sectors. Along with that, the picture which is on the left side just beneath the bonsai is about the hanging basket. Hanging basket is also one of the basic concept which is utilized in beautification purposes, and hence many. The picture just beneath the bonsai on the left side is about a hanging basket. It is one of the most required part for beautification purpose. Many corporates and private farmyards need this type of designs where they need to entertain the piece for their own self in order to live in that particular zone where they choose. Coming to the part of the next image, it is about utilization of space in terms of farming practice or agricultural production. Next is biofertilizer. Biofertilizer we all know about. It is also one of the most vast subject. In this biofertilizer we arrange workshops, seminars, as well as sometimes conferences too on biofertilizers. Many such seminars, conferences are arranged under multidisciplinary sectors for multidisciplinary subjects, where a platform is created worldwide as well as nationwide for everyone to utilize and to explore their knowledge as well as their skills of research and development here in Pandava's Grimpire. Composting. On the left side, we know you can see it is the image of earthworm which is mixed up into the compost, or we can say the degraded material. It is about vermicomposting. Next image is about dry composting. Third image is about wet composting, and the fourth image, it is about aerobic composting. Now all types of composting projects we undertake, as well as we organize workshops, course, seminars, and also many conferences on such interesting topics. So I may move upon a very big thanks to everyone for listening silently as well as attentively regarding our firm objectives, as well as listening to me and understanding the concept that our firm undertakes throughout India. We are looking forward for the next part. She has completed her specialization in ecology and working in Kirti College since 1993. She was an NCC officer in the year 1995 and achieved the title of honor of Major. She completed her PhD from Pune University, specialized under Agricultural Research Education and Extension for Rural Development. She has worked as a horticulturist consultant and is being a horticulturist advisor till date in terms of skilled based opportunities. She has a core expertise in horticulture, landscaping and gardening, a firm hold on landscape bonsai and rock over bonsai. The aesthetic value topics such as ikebana, kokedama bonsai, terrarium, dish garden, flower arrangements are very close to her heart, and passionate about such skills with future guidance to many present youths. Throughout the professional prospectus, Dr. Urmila Sarkar is associated in the practical activities of many social organizations, which provides the scope for the maintenance of the environmental health. She is honored by Savitribai Phule Adarsha Shikshika Puraskar. From Brihanmumbai Mahanagar Palika, she has achieved a Mayor Award for Women Empowerment Program. She was interviewed in the year 2016 on Z24 for guidance on Suvarna Kokan. Her core aspects of research and development field in experimentation and publishing research articles in international journals is viewed worldwide by many research scholars, faculties and universities through online open access platform. Lots of work in the field of environment conservation, tree plantation, seed balls and many more has been an inspiration for today's youth. Regarding her, in order to speak, it will take more than an hour. But it is better that we are having this speaker to host this whole session, and she is going to completely guide us through her whole knowledge about practical experience in this complete workshop. I welcome her to take the stage.